Okay, so here's something to think about while you're picking your colors and your design. Do you want your belt to look new, or do you want it to look slightly antiqued? And this should go again with the buckle. If the buckle looks new, then you probably want to keep the colors and the surface looking new as well. But if it looks antiqued, the buckle, then it's really kind of nice to be able to make your belt match, and you can do that again with the sandpaper. And I'm going to show you just on this belt here. This side, would be something that would go with a newer belt. And then if you wanted to antique it a little bit, you would just take the sandpaper and gently rub it off a little bit here and there. Of course, not as much as here. This is where I'm going to show you how to paint, but just like slightly, to get the shine off as well. And that gives you sort of a nice aged antique look. It's really easy, but it's kind of fun. So it's just something to think about.